What up, YouTube? I'm recording out the GoPro today. Hey, we got a little package in the mail that came. Well, it came yesterday, but I wasn't here to sign, so they sent it back today. But yeah, let's go on and get into it. Okay, we got the box right here. And this is the battery box. Show y'all that it. Y'all still don't know it. Y'all don't see it though. In the tight. Bust it down. Making the video.
What's the name of your video?
I ain't made no name yet.
I know.
Oh no, too expensive.
What it is?
Hold on, you gotta wait. Yeah, charge. ESC program.
Let me buy.
We got a battery. Y'all probably know what it is now.
Move. You gotta buy.
Charge. ESC program. Losi. Get back to him when I finish opening it up. So yup, got that new Losi 1964 f100. And gotta take some pictures, post it on my Facebook. I'm gonna let y'all see the new 22S aluminum chassis. The Mickey Thompson ET drag tires in front runner. Got the spare. That's the battery scrap. No prep. Drag truck. What's up? Then got the wheelie bar, LED lights. Let me put y'all down. That joker huge. There's another one. Let's see that Losi. Rise and hide on the back. I'm gonna try to tint these windows. So, earbox.
Okay.
It got some steel. What's up like quick? Different bodies you can get. You got some steel. Yeah, man, I'm gonna stay tuned. School. Huh? Yeah. I have to come back anyway. That bit ain't straight. Let me know where you was going. Big red. I ain't gonna go straight to it. Dang. That son bit don't wanna goddamn. We got too much power in it. Take the old ones out. Think it was leaking. Okay, still out. Try that. See what my problem was. It a leaking fuel injector? Or the car was acting how it was acting? Then we're gonna go from there. So I turn the camera back on after I plug everything back up and get it back and see what's going on.